In the relevant course, you can navigate to the Enrollment Methods page and, from the Add Method drop-down list, select the Self-Enrollment method. Give your enrollment instance a name and specify whether users with existing enrollments should be able to access the course, and whether new users will be allowed to enroll via this method. Next, you have the option to specify an enrollment key. This will restrict enrollment to only those users who know the key. Additionally, a group enrollment key can be specified in the course group settings and enabled here. This will add users to the applicable course group upon enrollment. You can then specify the default course role that will be assigned to users who self-enroll into the course. You can also customize various settings pertaining to the duration of users' enrollment in the course, how they should be notified before their enrollment expires, and what should happen when it does. Self-enrollment can then also be restricted to a maximum number of users or even to a specified user segment. Finally, you can specify a course welcome message, as well as who that message should come from. When you then click on Add Method, users will be able to enroll themselves into your course in accordance with the specified settings.